Good morning, Rainbow. This is Rainbow. He's very disciplined. He will not come out until I escort him. See, the door is open. Oh, we have Mango. Yes, Mango's on the other side. Okay. Mommy coming. I just unveil them because they have covers on at night. Wow, look at this. Rainbow's been molting. Lots of feathers. See, he will not come out until I put my hand in and escort him. Good morning, Mango. Hi, baby. No, Mango's not molting. That's good. Yeah, it's been cold. It was warm and now it's cold. Does Mango want to come out? Now Mango come out himself. Come on, Mango, come out. See, Rainbow will not come out until Mommy will put her hand in. You're a good boy. You've been so disciplined, right? Okay, you want to come out? Now he comes out. Now he comes out. And he goes straight to Mango's cage. Yep, this is his routine. Good morning. Okay, we're going to get you some good yum yum. And some fresh H2O. Well, we have some carrots in there already. Yep, Rainbow will go in and eat his breakfast. Rainbow knows what to do. Yep. Okay, time to clean up the cages.